same, but where half at eye level and all that, we are going to copy it like that. But when we are copying, I'm just going to tell you that how is the face sketch, means what is the face design and what exactly is the level. Three different levels. I think we have done that, but again I'll repeat so that it will be like a revision for all of you. Okay, so we'll start. I'll do the recording.
Recording in progress.
Vedika Vishwa. So go on mute. Yeah. Now, when we say face or human body, it is always divided with the center line. For the center face, it is CFL, that is center face line. For the body, it is CBL when I go for the body. Because if you see, the human body is divided. If you cut it, the seam comes from right side, and this is called, for the design, this is called as a vertical balance. Vertical balance means what? A balance where you have a symmetrical on both the sides. Okay. Now, what is the building of balances? The eye where it is located, the position of the eye from the center line towards the left side or towards the right side is same. Same as the position of the ear, and then comes the chin level and the face level. So to come with, yes.
We're not going to continue the lantern one.
Lantern one?
Which we did the last class, the Diya one.
That design you'll have to make it. Only the outline will be with the white one. So once you make the design, then I'll show you the outline. That I can show after this also.
Okay.
Yeah, with the white, you will have to give the outline. Okay?
Okay.
Now, when I say a human face, once again, I'll just repeat this. A human face is nothing but an egg shape. What is the egg shape is? It is flat from top and it is tapering at the bottom. That is, egg shape is, so wherever the chin is there, it is, this egg is divided into half, where comes the eye level. Now for cartoon character, we are going to draw it same. The top part is not considered whenever we draw the skull or this. This is the skull and the hair when we draw it is. But the center line of the whole egg shape is eye level. Then from ear to ear, it is divided into half, which is nothing but the nose level. And again from nose to this, when it is divided, that becomes the lower lip level. This is the design concept. And one more thing is, always the human eye is horizontal, that is 380 degree, and the animal's eyes are slanting. Okay, I think we have done this in cat or something, no? This. Okay, so now first we'll go with this, that is, make a center line. I'm going to take this, I'm not going to divide the artwork in half because center it is coming here. I'll just divide it from, so that we'll be able to place it.
When do we have to draw these lines?
Yes. These are reference lines.
Ma'am, very light or dark?
Light. We are going to erase it. Now for the eye, actually the eye is a almond shape like this, but as the character is there, here the eye is oval shape, but not exactly the oval shape. It is the you can make two D's to make that, or directly a oval shape also. This is the half, little bit on the top for the right side. I'm just going to go 2 centimeter from both this. Mark a point for both sides, and it is 3.5. The eye size is 3.5. I
Ma'am,
feel I'm taking a measurement with the pencil, and with respect to the pencil, this is the center line. Go 2 centimeter from here and here. 2 centimeter. Why? Because the pencil, this is almost 2 centimeter. Wait. Yes, it is 2 centimeter. So mark a point this side and this side, both the side.
ma'am, for the sleeping line, the middle one,
Yeah.
do you have to make the line to the center in respect to the picture? Like,
I have taken the center for the respective picture. This one.
so we have to put that line in the center, like
Yes,
put up
center,
or-
center. It is in the center. Okay.
On the left side, after like you made a point, like after 2 centimeters, what is that other point? Yeah, this point.
Yeah, this one is the size of the eye. I have taken a
How many
measurement.
centimeters?
I have taken a measurement, so it is around 3.5. It's not exactly 2.
So 3.5 centimeters away.
Yes.
Okay.
So how much size you are going to take this side? Just take a measurement on this side also. Little bit here and there, we will then shape it. Right now we'll first make a structure, that is a block. We are creating a block, then we will shape it there. If you feel that the eye is little bit slanting, I feel the face is little bit tilted, but that is given, the look is given because of the eye. Eye has given one down and top, this. Otherwise it's a straight face.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is the difference between two eyes?
Here.
When we are making like this.
Yes, sir. The difference between the two eye is always equal to one eye. Okay? So, the difference that is like, yeah. The distance between the two eye is equal to one eye, but I have taken here only 3.5. This is 4 centimeter. Why? That also I tell. When we will shape it and we will make a shape, it can go and increase little bit by 4. So the distance between the two eyes is always equal to one eye. The face is equal to 5 eye. What is the meaning of 5 eye? When I place 5 eyes side by side, it becomes a whole face. In that, after eye, the distance is for the ear and the place this. Okay. Now right now draw with me. So it is a oval shape. The right side eye is little bit downwards and the left is on the top, little bit. So to give a little bit tilting effect, but the size of the eye, one second, just hold. It's almost a 1 centimeter. Just make a D like this from top, and from bottom go with little bit more. Try to sketch it. I don't want tracing, because tracing I would also be able to do it. Try to sketch it. That is the, yeah.
Ma'am, I've taken 3.5 measurement for the eye.
Okay, no problem. Now little bit on the top side. So if I make this eye little bit top big, the bottom will be slightly less. Size will be the same. Just see the size. Center eyeball circle, one here and one little bit on the top. Go down by around 3 centimeter down. I've gone 3 centimeter down. And I'm just making a nose that is L shape. Little bit slanting. Give a slant. From here, just make a for eyebrow. This side eye. This is what scar. He has a scar. No? Those who know this character, almost 1.5 centimeter down. See, I'm just taking the measurement with the pencil. So this is 2. So it is a straight line. A straight line that we'll do it afterwards. Just a straight line for the. It is half of the eye. Actually, the lips is equal to 1/3 of the eye.
Now, how many centimeters horizontal is like this line which you just made?
This is 1.5 from here.
No,
From the
horizontal.
nose.
Horizontal.
Horizontal, I've taken half of this eye.
No, like.
This is half of eye, na? Means this is 2 and this is 1.5. Because this I have considered 3.5. So this might be 3.5 here and 3.5 here. That is total 7 centimeter.
Oh.
Go down by 3.5. Just down. It is more less than that.
Ma'am, how many centimeters down, sir?
I went 3.5 centimeter. Just mark this. This is the shape we'll give the this. Before that, why I want on the half area make the chin triangle. It is not a triangle, just a curve having a D shape like this. Reverse sleeping D. Now from the eye level, just go 1 centimeter, mark it on both the sides. And now we'll shape the face. Huh? Now normally the face from eye to ear, there is very less slanting. The line is slanting. And then from the lower lip level, if this is the lower lip level, it goes tapering, more tapering towards the chin. So same structure is given here. But we are going to do, this is 1 centimeter. So just come down with the curve with less up to here, that is your lower lip level, and then from here just go and join it at this end.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my drawing, like, it's going very down. I followed your measurement something like this. It's
But
like
I am
this.
sketching like the same of what is given to you in front of you. So show me what happened.
Ma'am, like yours is a little bit up and mine is like ending over here only.
Here, no, it is ending. Or down, it is
It's
1
down.
second. 1 second, just hold on. Show me. Okay, yeah, it will come here, na? Then you'll have the neck this side and small, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how many?
Mine will also little bit. It will go down like this.
Okay, because I don't think I have space for the neck and all.
Neck will come from here. So neck will definitely you'll have the neck.
Okay.
Neck will come from the face. What turning we have taken at this. So this is the neck level, like this.
Ma'am, I think I also don't have space for like that. Ma'am, can you like share my screen so that you can see for like?
1 second, just hold on.
Ma'am, how many centimeters away is that point?
Which one? This one? This is equal to the face. What you
The
have
one
seen
which
on
is
this.
next to the eye for the face.
Here, this.
Yeah.
This is almost 1 centimeter away.
Okay.
Yes, Rushan, show me yours. It's okay. But Rushan, it is not a curve. It is, this face is called as a pentagon. Means it has a coming here, it turns and then give a down curve like that. It will not have a complete curve. Though the face doesn't have edges. Rushan, it is okay. If you don't have space, the neck will come here. Or you can take it little bit on the top.
And can you
Only
see my...
thing is just, yes, I'm going to see everyone's. Just when you're coming down here, up to, just take a distance of 1 centimeter. That is, where is your eye? Go slanting downwards up to your, the mouth level, what is there. And then from there, give a step curve to join it at the level what you have marked. I've gone little bit down also. The shape was not coming. Yes, now show me everyone. Because this side also you're going to draw it. And here there is little bit this edge is there on this side. Yes, show me. This side is perfect. This side you'll have to change the shape. This side, the right side, sorry. Left side is perfect. Right side, what has happened? This line has become very straight. Give a little bit curve, outer curve. Don't make it straight. Okay. Huh? Shivani, very good.
Ma'am, can you please see?
Yes. Parth, very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can you...
Dhruvi, this side neck is right. This side neck has come very near. Just see the distance. Both the distance should be same. Yes, both the distance. At least this side it is more. Little bit. It is more this side. The neck. Yes.
Ma'am, can...
Very good. This is Nivedita Satkar means who is this? Iraira? No. Okay, yeah. Sharanya, show me.
Okay.
Yes, very good, Sharanya. Sharanya, but the ears and the hat will not come. Hat is very important. This character is known by hat only, I think so.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Vedika is very good, Vedika.
Hello?
Vedika B. Yes. Iraira. Yes, very good, Iraira. Yes. Kushi, show me.
Ma'am, me.
Grant. Very good, Grant. Very nice. Kushi, from this side, this right side shape is not right. Again, I have given an idea what you can do. From eye level, just drop a line. And up to, it's rough, huh? It's not exactly, but this is the level where you're going to come down with your curve. Then it will come right, like this. And then give a sharp turn to give this curve, like this. Then you will have the same on the both the sides. Rushan, very good. It is okay. I'm erasing this line. I'm just giving an idea how to make it. The shape. Then you can shape it afterwards. Little bit shaping once you get the this here, the chin, little bit edge is there. Here it is curve, here the edge is there. This side neck is little bit far away. So, and that is why the eye is looking little bit one down and one up. Slower this.
Ma'am, can you move your paper?
Yeah.
Ma'am, like this, the
Yes. Yes, like that. Very good. Tushan, it is right. Yeah. Make a neck. Main thing is his hat. I think so. Something hat or he has drank something rubber. I don't know anything about this character. My daughter was telling me something. He has yes.
Ma'am, he ate a fruit.
Fruit or something. The rubber gum fruit, na? And he has become what? And he wants to become the
King of the
captain.
pirates.
Yeah,
He wants to become the king of the pirates.
yeah, king of the pirates. Yeah, captain is someone else, na? In this character only. That is who?
He's the captain of his crew.
Okay. I wrote the so. Okay, we'll draw the hat. Hat is the main. Now we have the ear will draw afterwards. First we'll draw the hat so that we'll be able to draw the whole hair and then the ear will come. So hat is around this area. See the line. If you see this line, so just extend this line where we have given yes.
Ma'am, can you see my drawing? One says I have made the other side of the face.
Yeah, show me. So this is the point I'm just marking. Yes, Iraira, hold it straight. 1 second, Iraira. Iraira, one thing, have you followed my instructions? Can you see the distance between the two eye is more? That's why I've taken 2 centimeter from this. This distance is less. Do you take the measurement? I don't think so. Because this eye is at around 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter from right side. Just check it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Just check. I can see from the sketch itself. It is not 2 centimeter away from the center line. Don't take 2 centimeter. At least whatever distance you are taking from here, just mark the same distance this side also. Yes.
Ma'am, is mine turn?
Yes, Vedika. Wait.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, Krishna. 1 second. Very good, Vedika ji. Ji, na? Yours, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes, Krishan, show me. Hold on, Krishan. Very good, Krishan. Krishan, though it is a face, but the face is not angry. Your face, what you have sketched, is looking angry because you have given the edges and you have gone down to make the chin elongated. Just change the chin shape. Okay. Now I'll just draw the hat. That is, I'll take both the corners. And from the top,
Ma'am,
yes,
is this much distance okay?
1 second, just do it. Iraira, you're not getting me. This distance for the right side eye, left side eye, and the right side eye, both are same. So this distance is not same. This eye has come here. That's why it is looking not. It is not proper.
एक मेगालिटिक साइज बाइट होना. Ma'am, so I have to make it somewhere here.
You are going with the left eye. You're shifting your left eye towards left. I'm saying about right eye. Right eye has to be shifted towards right.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this eye has to be.
Yes, that I am saying. Okay.
Yes.
Now, how much distance is up for the hat is? Just come up to the chin measurement. And the same is on the top. So, how much distance is down? Huh?
Now is it okay?
1 second. Yes, it is okay now. Now it is okay. Okay. So how much distance is there down? That much I have taken up and marked a point. So now we have these 2 points. We have this 2 point and we have this point. This will draw afterwards. First make one oval. And from here, it is going little bit on the top to turn. Just give
Ma'am, can you check?
this curve is not there. Little bit slanting it is. Yes, Iraira? Wait 1 second, Iraira. Just hold on. Yeah. Yeah, now it is right. Yes, show me. Iraira, show me. Okay.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes, it is okay.